I am just as curious about this car as you are. This is the all-new Buick Enclave, and it is really quite impressive. But why should you buy it? Today, we're going to find out. With a flooded market of three-row luxurious SUVs, which we've reviewed a lot of, it's hard to decide which one is best for you. After all, Buick isn't really that much of an exciting brand, although they did have that one car way back when, but we're not going to talk about that now. This Buick Enclave is a slightly more luxurious version of the already nice GMC Acadia, which is already a nicer version of the already nice Chevy Traverse. Confusing, right? Well, maybe not. Where this car really shines is its interior. Luxury is the name of the game. Beautiful, soft leather is everywhere that your hands will touch. But my favorite part about this interior has to be the technology. Yeah, GM and technology usually didn't go together, but now it does. And that's thanks to this gorgeous curved 30-inch display. Honestly, the quality of it is better than your iPhone or computer that you're watching this video on right now. And my favorite part about it, it is one giant piece of glass. There's no separation like a lot of other car manufacturers, and it is crystal clear and super responsive. What this screen is capable of is incredible. You have a lot of incredible features, such as 360 cameras, built-in Google Maps and Apple Maps integration with the click of a button. You have a camera that's actually built into your rear view mirror. But enough about that. Let's go take this car for a drive. Driving the Buick Enclave. It's a four-cylinder. It's a 2.5 liter four-cylinder. I believe there's a turbo in there. It almost feels like a full-size Range Rover shrunken down a little bit. The suspension is really plush. You do not feel any of the bumps, and the steering, lots of body roll, but if you like that, this is the perfect car for you. But the thing about this car is, why does it exist? You have the Chevy Traverse, amazing car, we just got done reviewing that. You also have the GMC Acadia, same chassis, a little bit nicer. And then you have this, which is the more luxurious version of those two cars. I think where this car shines and where you'll find the most benefit buying this over any of the competition, two things. One, the technology and ride quality, incredible. You have that beautiful 30-inch curved display we were just talking about. Super fast. There's a ton of technology in it. You almost feel like you're in a luxury car. My car, my Mercedes, has most of these features and costs twice as much. Reason number two is the space. Compared to every other three-row luxury SUV or just three-row SUV in general that we've driven, this has more room than any of those cars. It's kind of a long car, to be honest with you. If you park this next to any other SUV, you realize the size is pretty big. What I like about this car, it doesn't drive like a gigantic car. It feels like you're driving a Tahoe that's been shrunken down a lot. It drives like a smaller SUV, but has a ton of room. And I think that is the biggest benefit to this car. I mean, guys, I'm getting a massage right now in a Buick. Suspension, I think they need to add a little more dampening to it for when you would take it into the corner. Maybe if they added some like active suspension, that would be a great solution. Me personally, I prefer a car that's a little more tighter when you go around turns and a car that gives you a little more confidence in the corners. But hey, if you don't care about that and you just want a really nice driving luxury car with a ton of tech without the big price tag, the Buick might be for you. The starting price of this car is the same price as a loaded GMC Acadia or a loaded Chevy Traverse. I think this, other than the drive of the car, how plush it is, you buy this car for this tech right here. You don't get this screen in the GMC or the Chevy. I think that's what sets this apart. Honestly, if I took the badge away, I would think I'm in a Cadillac right now.
Yeah.
And can we talk about Super Cruise? Legal, hands-free driving on the highway. Super Cruise goes based off of roads that they've scanned, where Teslas, they're going off sensors and cameras and a bunch of data. This is strictly just going off someone from GM drove down this road before, there's data, and that's how they're able to do the Super Cruise. It works really well. It even lets me know if I'm in a construction zone and the car will automatically slow down. It is incredible. I was using it all day yesterday. We were stuck in traffic. I didn't even have to put the gas pedal or the brake pedal or any steering input. It drove the entire time we were stuck in traffic and on the highway. Overall, I think Buick Enclave, I would rate it 7.2 out of 10. Good job, Buick. So there it is, the all-new Buick Enclave, an impressive car at a very impressive price. Would you take this over the competition? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you on the next one. We look so sketch, by the way. It's just 3 people sitting on the side of the road. Hey, how's it going?